Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be working on, well, nothing to be honest. We don't really have much else to work on this car. We just did the wiper motor a couple weeks ago. We did the car show last weekend. We were able to take this out to a car show and enjoy the company of a bunch of other car people. I'll make sure to put a link for that up above here so you guys can check that video out from last week. But there's not a whole lot to be done on this car. Sure, there's a couple things we could do. I mean, we could start working on bodywork now that everything's working properly, but I am no body guy. I did that with the 850 project, and I am not about to do that all over again. I learned my lesson. If you have not seen that, I'll put a link up above for that one as well, for that 850 when we painted it and did all the bodywork and stuff like that. Not doing that again. So, I don't know what else to do, to be completely honest. Wash it, drive it, enjoy it. If there's something you're struggling with, let me know. Put it in the comments down below. What are you guys struggling with on your project? Is there something you can't figure out? Is there something you'd like to see done on the car that's within reason? Let's not get crazy, but within reason. And maybe we can do it. I know the top is something that needs to be taken care of. I know a lot of people have been asking for the convertible top to be redone, and that is definitely on our to-do list. But as of right now, there's not a real reason for us to do it. With it being still summer, early fall time. Maybe when we get into the winter, we'll jump back on it and do the convertible top. It's something you can do by yourself, but definitely two-man job, so we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But let me know what you guys are having trouble with, and maybe we can make a video out of it. So with this video, we're going to go out for a nice, good drive. There are some backwoods out past my neighborhood here. We'll hook up the camera up to the dash and get some good shots and around the corner and all that good stuff that you guys like to see. And really enjoy this car and all the hard work that's gone into it, and all of you that have been following for so long, I really do appreciate it. Let's start loading up, let's get the camera in the car, and let's hit the road. So as we're heading out to these back roads, I figured you guys are bouncing all over the place, but that's as good as I can get you, so bear with me. But I figured we'd talk about some of like my favorite things that we've done to this car and where we're going and things like that. And you know, we have Fiat Freakout at the end of the year, where it's the biggest Fiat gathering for the Fiat Club of America, and it's in the Woodlands, Texas, north of Houston. And so I'm going to be heading up there, and I'm going to bring this car with me so everybody can see the car. And I'd love to meet you guys and let you walk around it, ask all the questions you want. And I'm gonna have stickers, and I'll have shirts and all the drink sleeves and all that stuff. I'll have all that there with me. And you guys can order those separate if you want to get them ahead of time before Freakout. You can order them and get them before Freakout starts. You can just send me an email at garagetimetv@gmail.com, and I will be able to send those out to you before Freakout. But it's got to be like a week before Freakout or sooner. So this that way we can have post, give them enough time to get it to you. But anyway, you know, this car has been an amazing challenge, and I mean, we built this engine twice because we messed up, and that's just part of project cars. That's part of building cars and the joy of building cars, and what keeps me coming back time after time is those challenges. And it's really you know, an experience from where we went from a bucket of parts and an engine under a tarp, and this thing was sitting back in the woods of this guy's house, and the sun was just eating this thing alive, to now we're actually physically driving it. The engine's got 210 miles on it, and it's running like a top. And there's no better satisfaction than doing all that hard work and it finally coming together, and you're able to enjoy it. People enjoy it when you go to shows, and I think that's one of my favorite parts, is when you take it out, whether to get groceries or a show or just to get together, and someone always happens to have a story about one of these cars. You know, my uncle had one, my dad had one, my grandmother drove one every Sunday, you know, whatever that is. And I think that's really what the joy of owning these cars and keeping them on the road is all about. So we're gonna keep heading up there. As always, if you guys have comments, drop them down below. That's what it's all about, help you guys out. And we're gonna get over to these back roads here in probably about another 10 minutes. And we'll get some really good shots so you guys can see the car in action. So let's head on out there and have a good time. All right, I got y'all up behind me. Hopefully you guys will get some good exhaust noises, but you guys are kind of at the top of the windshield here, so let's go have some fun. Good? I think we're gonna have to get you in a better spot. With all the curves we're about to hit, y'all gonna be falling all over the place. Perfect. We can fill up. We'll get y'all set up in a better spot. All right, now I got you guys a little bit more secured. We're all topped off on gas. We're gonna fire her up, and we're actually not too far. Starts right up. I love it. All right, now we can go have some fun.
A few moments later.
Now, if you guys keep falling on me, we're gonna have problems. lot of fun, but as you can tell, it's really humid and it's really hot, and it's only getting muggy. It was off and on sprinkling and making it worse. So there's been a lot of fun out here on these back roads. A little bit busier than probably what you guys have or where you live, but we've been having a really good time, and the car has been running like a champ. So we're gonna start making a trip back to the garage, head up to the shop, park it in, and we do have a couple quick announcements, so don't go anywhere. Let's head on back and get those announcements. I'll see y'all at the shop. Definitely took the downpipe off the headers. Yeah, that's open headers for you. So it looks like we're gonna have to, you know, reattach that. Because that's gonna get annoying really fast. Well, lesson learned: tighten the nut and the bolt all the way. Now we really got to get to the shop. Well, I'll say that that exhaust is pretty loud without the rest of it, you know, just the headers there. So lesson learned on that. Tighten everything down, and you know, that way when you feed her the beans, you know, you don't blow it all off. So that's an easy fix. Just you know, lift it, screw it, problem solved. But we made it back, and people were looking at us all funky, which is to be expected, I guess, when you are yelling down the road with your open headers. So I'm glad we're back and avoiding that awkwardness for the rest of the day. With that being said, that is the end of this trip, and you know, I need you guys to drop down in the comments what you guys think we need to do next on all of this. Is there something you're having trouble with? Let me know. Make sure you guys are following us on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. I'm on there. We also have a Facebook group that you guys can join, and we can all chat about our cars, share pictures, stories, what you're working on, stuff like that. Definitely worth doing, and our group is starting to grow, so make sure you guys are part of that, as building that community. Like I said, Fiat Freakout is in about 2 weeks. By the time that this video comes out, it'll be 2 weeks from now, maybe 3. And it's gonna be really exciting. I really can't wait to meet everybody. And if you cannot come, don't worry. We're gonna be making videos about each day of Fiat Freakout. There's so many events going on, so we'll make sure we'll have a day 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. of all the day's events that I can make it to. I will be bringing merch with me. I'll have the drink sleeves and t-shirts, whatever we have left is gonna come with me. We're also gonna have stickers, stuff like that. And I really cannot wait to meet you guys. With that being said, after Freakout, which is at the end of this month, end of September 28th through the October 1st, I believe, that weekend, after Fiat Freakout, we're going to announce our new project. And that project is actually right behind you. And I'm very excited to share it with you guys. And it's going to be a great new chapter on the channel of what we're going to be working with. And we've got it here, and I'm looking right at it. So it's very exciting. So you guys need to make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell for new videos that come out, stuff like that. If you did want to get some merch before Fiat Freakout, that way you guys don't have to fight the crowds there, you can send me an email, garagetimetv@gmail.com, and I will get you guys set up with that to arrive before Freakout. But this is going to be the end of this video, guys. This is a lot of one for you, enjoying the build, and just enjoying what we've done here, and it's come so far, and it's been quite a journey, and you guys have been along the whole way, and I can't thank you guys for the support that you've given me, and advice and tips and the comments and questions and all sorts of stuff. It's what the channel's all about, right? You don't need all this fancy stuff to make it happen. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you comment down below for what you need, what you want to see on the channel next. What do you think the project is? Put that down there. What do you think the project is? Just let me know. And with that, that's gonna be an episode. And until next time, guys, we'll see ya.